Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'll be making konjac steak. If you are looking for a healthy dinner option, this konjac steak is perfect for you. It's low in calories, rich in dietary fiber, and offers a unique chewy texture that you will love. For the full recipe, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. You will need 1 block of konjac, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/2 tablespoon of butter, 1 clove garlic, scallions as needed. For the sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Step 1. Slice the konjac block, then make lattice-like cuts on the surface. Step 2. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add the konjac and boil for 2 minutes. Drain the konjac and pat it dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. Step 3. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the konjac slices to the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they are slightly golden brown. Step 4. Add butter and crushed garlic to the pan. Saute for a couple of minutes to allow the konjac slices to absorb the flavors of butter and garlic. Step 5. Add sake, mirin, and soy sauce to the pan. Cook until the sauce thickens and toast the konjac slices about a couple of minutes. Transfer the cooked konjac slices to a serving plate. Top generously with chopped scallions. I hope you will enjoy this healthy konjac steak. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.